to show he's made of championship material. Notice, I didn't say which one. Down with the jackhammer.
Anticipated, I'd say.
This crowd here in Greensboro better be ready because this match is going to be intense.
Jackhammer!
There may be... This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg.
Nakamura setting up.
Guys, let's quickly discuss.
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see the... Down with the jackhammer.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg Jackhammer.
Nothing like another quiet day at the office, huh, Cole?
Down with the jackhammer.
The formidable matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite.
Jackhammer. Yeah, that didn't take long.
We'll be talking about this match for a long time.
Settle in, guys. This is going to be a blast to watch.
And judging from the crowd here in this...
Down with the jackhammer.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg Jackhammer.
That creates the Undertaker here. So if you were him, what would you do to win this thing?
I was just thinking about something. I would pay Mr. McMahon for this job, and he actually pays me. You believe that?
And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so. Down with the jackhammer.
He's looking at a mono test. It's amazing. For more than 50 years, men and women have entered this ring all in the name of greatness to see who is truly the best. I think when it's all said and done, we'll...
Jackhammer! Luke Gallows is in a...
Like Goldberg.
Down with the jackhammer.
Qualification match.
Still not officially underway. And I don't think I have to counter here.
Oh, man, still not officially underway.
Well, official or unofficial.
Wow, he got out of it.
Yeah, I'm not so sure he had it fully locked in. Jackhammer!
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it! We're gonna see it! We're gonna see the... Down with the jackhammer!
Talk about... This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg Jackhammer!
This could be the turn.
Are just a few miles from the WWE Performance Center, which means there are plenty of WWE hopefuls in the back studying this one.
Down with the jackhammer! Yeah, there's no way this match isn't over after that one.
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it! We're gonna see it! We're gonna see the jackhammer! Absolutely punishing.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg down with the jackhammer. It's heating up now. Did you see the impact on that? Wow.
Hit.
Goldberg is making his presence known.
Jackhammer. But is it enough to end?
Dazed.
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see the down with the jackhammer. But did he go?
Well, certainly adrenalized for this one. Just listen to them.
Jackhammer. Down with the jackhammer.
come on. Negotiations have broken down, and we now have a war on our hands.
Yeah, they couldn't wait to get a hold of each other.
Goldberg's a former World Heavyweight Champion in WCW and WWE. The former NFL defensive lineman is always hunting for new victims. An opponent must fear the spear and remember the jackhammer.
Oh, man. There's no more magical place to be in Orlando right now than right here for this match.
Down with the jackhammer.
Let me tell
Guys, I'm going to discuss Luke Harper for a moment.
Jackhammer.
Judging from this crowd response, guys, there's no more magical place to be in Orlando right now than right here for this match.
Down with the jackhammer. A trip to the local medical facility might be in order after that.
this could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg Jackhammer. He's in control now.
He's lining him up. Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see the down with the jackhammer.
Can he end it quickly?